Hi everyone, thank you for clicking on today's video. Today we're going to be making pancakes. The full measurements and list of ingredients will be in the description box below. So I'm going to start off by sifting my self-raising flour. I've got my sugar in there, salt and baking powder. And as you can see, I just like to mix that through so that there's no clumps of baking powder and salt. So everything's blended together nicely. So here I'm just whisking up some eggs, and then I'm going to add some milk to that. Then in goes some melted butter and whisked up again. Then I'm going to be adding the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and making sure I absolutely whisk that really well so there's no clumps of flour. And here I'm just adding a few drops of vanilla extract and then some cinnamon. You can be a little bit more generous with the cinnamon than I was. You can put your oven on a low setting so that the pancakes keep warm. As you do each one, you just load them up into the oven and keep them nice and warm. So now it's time to cook them. I've got a really hot saucepan here, and I'm just lightly brushing it with some oil, of course, and ready to start frying them. They're bubbling up on top now, so it's time to turn them over. Do the other side. So there they are, light, fluffy, delicious pancakes. I hope you enjoyed trying this recipe. Let me know in the comments below what your favourite topping is. I enjoy blueberries and maple syrup with mine. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time.